got this. Psych yourself up.
You're right.
You're going to get it. Good, little step, little step. Lock it in. Do not rush. Don't rush. Control. Straight up, straight up. Good. Good work in your knees. Lock your core. Chest, 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 chest. Use both your glutes. Big breath. Drive, 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 drive. Stay with it, stay with it. This is the hardest set. Big breath. Up, 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 up.
I got it.
It's alright?
I'm good.
Alright, you got one more. You're going to get that last one. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry.
No, you're
Your
good.
knee okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm more worried about falling that way.
Just stay on your heels, stay balanced. Stay on your heels. Big breath. Okay. Coming out. So stay balanced. Straight down, straight down, straight down. Up, 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 up. Easy.